Welcome to iRise online classes. See, I want to discuss about the topic algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. What is an identity? Identity is an equation satisfied by any set of values of the variables. For example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here, these both are equations. What is an equation? Equation is nothing but an expression which is equal to 0 is called equation, or equating two expressions also equation. So this is equation, this is also equation, but this is called identity. This is just an algebraic equation. Here this is satisfied by only two values of x. If x is equal to 2, it is satisfied. Put x is equal to 3, it is satisfied. Put x is equal to 4, it is not satisfied. But this is satisfied by any set of values of the variables a comma b. 5 comma 1, if you put LHS and RHS, both are equal. If you put 3 comma minus 2, 4 comma 1, okay, 11 comma 7, a has 11, b has 7, left hand side must be equal to right hand side. Then that type of equations are called identities. Even in trigonometry we have identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is called a trigonometric identity. For any value of theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. So identity is an equation satisfied by any set of values of the variables. Nothing but algebraic formulae. So I want to write the list of identities and how those formulae can be useful to solve the questions. Here we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and you have to know not only a plus b whole square formula, if a reverse also will be given based on the questions. For example, 2.3 whole square plus 3.7 whole square plus 2 into 2.3 into 3.7 is equal to how much? If you don't know the formula, this question is very difficult. So this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b whole square. So 2.3 plus 3.7, which is equal to 6 whole square, is equal to 36. Not only one side, you can know the formula in other side also. Okay. So I want to write the formula list and related questions. Formula number 1. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. These are all known formulae, but you have to by heart each and every formula. Second one, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. And if you add these two, we get a third formula, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. Just adding these two, we get this one, third formula. This minus this, subtract. What is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square? This is equal to 4ab. From this we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 4ab is equal to a minus b whole square. And similarly, a minus b whole square plus 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Actually, these are not 6 different formulae. This is just only one formula. In place of plus b, if we put minus b, we get this formula. Adding these two, we get this one. Subtracting, we get this. And transfer 4ab left side, one formula. Right side, one more formula. So one formula can be viewed in different ways. Okay, so questions also will be given based on this. So some questions can be solved. For example, what is 102 into 98? This can be written as 100 plus 2 into 100 minus 2. Multiplication is somewhat difficult, but usage of this formula is very easy. This is nothing but 102 into this one. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So this minus 2 2's 4, we get 9996. This is the answer for this question. So if we know the formula perfectly, we can solve the questions based on this. See here, one more question. For example, a question is given like this. 596 plus 543 whole square minus 4 into 596 into 543. This is in the form of a plus b whole square minus 4ab, which is equal to a minus b whole square, 596 minus 543 whole square. This is nothing but 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so it is nothing but 53 whole square. So what is 53 whole square? Squares also, based on this concept, we can find easily the squares. 3 square 0 9, 5 square 25, 5 3 is 15 into 2 30. The answer is 0 8 2 2809 is the answer for this. Just I have used a plus b whole square formula to find any square. Okay. See how to find the squares based on this formula. For example, 72 square. Actually, this is nothing but 70 plus 2 whole square, a plus b whole square formula. So I want to make it short. 2 square 04, 7 square 49. This is a square, this is b square. Plus 2ab, 2 into 7 into 2, 2 into 7 into 2, 2 7's 14, 14 2's 28 right here. Just leave one place and write here, add 4, 8, 1, 5. So this is the answer for 72 whole square. Okay. So like that we can write any square. For example, 46 whole square is equal to how much? 6 square 36, 4 square 16, 4 6 are 24, 24 2 is 48. So 6 1 1 2 2 1 1 6 is the answer for this one. This is nothing but based on a plus b whole square. A square b square 2ab. Okay. So by heart all this formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equal to this one, and a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab, and a plus b whole square minus 4ab is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square plus 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Next one, what is a square minus b square? This is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. See the identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. From this we can write this as a square minus b square by a minus b is equal to a plus b. Similarly, a square minus b square by a plus b is equal to a minus b. 3 more formulae. For example, 3.28 whole square minus 2.16 whole square by 3.28 plus 2.16 is equal to how much? This is in the form of a square minus b square by a plus b. So answer is a minus b, 3.28 minus 2.16. So this is nothing but 1.12. So some questions will be based on these concepts. Okay, next formula. All these known formulae, but you have to by heart and write a number of times. Then algebraic identities concept is a very easy place. Next one. What is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca? This is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. Already you know. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Then what is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca? Here there is no formula for this because we don't get 3 negatives. So I want to make this as positive. Then these two are negative. C minus BC minus CA, common is C, so you can write it as A plus B minus C whole square. Okay, if BC CA are negative, C is common, so put C as a negative. Or you can write this also, okay, minus A minus B plus C whole square also. If C is more than A comma B, you can write like this also. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. For example, if a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca given. Here ab is negative, ca is negative, common is a. So therefore minus a plus b plus c whole square, or you can write these two negative, this is positive. Okay. Next there is one more important formula. See carefully. What is the value of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca? Very important. Very important. Very important formula. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So to write the formula, first listen carefully. Just multiplied by 2. 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca by 2. From this write 1a square, 1b square minus 2ab. This can be written as a minus b whole square. Similarly, 1b square, 1c square minus 2bc can be written as b minus c whole square. The remaining c square, a square minus 2ca can be written as c minus a whole square by 2 by 2. This is a very important formula. Okay, so therefore I want to write this as a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square by 2. Very important formula. Okay. Next one. What is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube? This is known formula a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And this can also be written as a plus b whole cube can also be written as a cube plus b cube. By taking 3ab common, we get a plus b. This is one more formula. Important. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Sometimes if a plus b is equal to 7, a cube plus b cube is equal to some 200, then what is ab? If this type of questions given, we can use this formula. So this is nothing but 7 cube is equal to a cube plus b cube is 200 plus 3ab into a plus b is 7. So from this we can find easy ab value. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And what is the formula for a cube plus b cube? This is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Just transfer to this right side. Okay, and this can also be written as by taking a plus b common. Then what we get? A plus b, here also taking a plus b common and simplify, we get a plus b whole square minus 3ab, nothing but a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is also important formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. Write it as a product of two factors. A plus b is one factor and a square minus ab plus b square is the second factor. Okay, and actually these questions will be given in number system also. For example, some 103 cube plus 28 cube is divisible by. So you can write a plus b. A cube plus b cube is divisible by a plus b, nothing but 131. This number is divisible by 131 because this is a factor of a cube plus b cube. Okay, so a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus a. Then what is a cube plus b cubed by a square minus ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b? This is a question in simplification. 3.8 whole cube plus 1.9 whole cube or 1.8 whole cubed by 3.8 whole square minus 3.8 into 1.8 plus 1.8 whole square is equal to how much? Is nothing but simply a plus b. 3.8 plus 1.8, which is equal to 5.6. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube. And a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is also a plus b whole cube. From this a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And one more formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube plus b cubed by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a plus b. Similarly, see this formula also. What is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube? Same formula, which is equal, this is nothing but just minus in the place of plus b. This is the formula for a minus b whole cube. Similarly, a cube minus b cube by taking minus 3ab common here, which is equal to a minus b, is also equal to a minus b whole cube. The second formula for a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. These two are very important, please. Generally, some questions, previous questions based on this formula. From this, what is a cube minus b cube formula? This is nothing but a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b, and a cube minus b cube, by taking a minus b common from these two, we can get a square plus ab plus b square. This is also important formula. The formula for a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So, what is a cube minus b cubed by a square plus ab plus b square? This is nothing but a minus b. See these two carefully. Just in the place of plus b, if you put minus b, we get this one. So, all these formulae based on the only formula, this one. Just to put minus b in the place of plus b, you can get minus here also minus. Same formula. For example, if a question is given like this, see 2 plus root 3 whole cube plus 2 minus root 3 whole cube is equal to how much? If you know the formula, the problem becomes very easy. A plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube is equal to how much? Here if you add these two, minus 3a square b plus 3a square b plus b cube minus b cube gets cancelled. So I want to write the formula as a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube is equal to 2 times a cube plus 3ab square. This is the formula. If you create a formula, the problems become very easy. So if you create the formula like this, the problem is very easy. This is nothing but 2 times a cube is nothing but 8 plus 3 into a is 2 into b square is 3. 3 3 is 9 2s 18, 18 plus 8 26 2s, the answer is 52. So a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube is equal to 2 times a cube plus 3ab square. Similarly, if we subtract, what we get? If we subtract, the formula is a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube is equal to 2 times, in the place of a, if we get b, in the place of b we get a. So nothing but b cube plus 3b a square. See these two formulae. A plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube. Just the same question. What is 2 plus root 3 whole cube minus 2 minus root 3 whole cube is equal to how much? The formula is 2 times b cube 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 a square is 4. This is 12 root 3 plus 3 root 3, 15 root 3 into 2, 30 root 3 is the answer. Next one. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, it is most important identity. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, the formula is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. See the formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. And this formula can also be written as A plus B plus C into, already I have given one formula for this, nothing but A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square by 2. See these two formulae please, very important formula. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. And this can also be written like this. Some questions will be given based on this. For example, if A is equal to 2012, B is equal to 2013, C is equal to 2014, then what is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC? If you substitute these values in this, is a very difficult question. How to get the answer easily? If you apply this formula, the problem becomes very easy. Nothing but A plus B plus C, sum of these 3 is equal to 6039. Okay, 6000, sum of these 2 is 39. Into A minus B whole square is 1, B minus C whole square is 1, C minus A whole square is nothing but 4 by 2. This is 6 by 2 is 3. So answer is 6039 into 3 is the answer for this question. Okay. So some number system related questions can also be solved using these identities. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, and this can also be written like this. Next, here I want to give one important point related to this. What is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC by A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA? This by this total is nothing but A plus B plus C. Here some questions will be given according to the order also we can get the answers. Actually the numerator is a third degree expression, denominator is a second degree expression. If third degree expression divided by second degree expression, if it is divided exactly, the quotient is always a first degree expression. So this is a first degree expression. Sometimes the questions will be given like this also. Here if options are A, B, C, second option A plus B plus C, third option A square plus B square plus C square, fourth option A, B plus B, C plus C, A. So if options are given like this, without knowing the formula we can get the answer. This is a third degree expression, this is second degree expression, answer must be a first degree expression. This is the answer because this is second degree and this is a degree 3. Similarly, for example, if this is divided by A plus B plus C, third degree expression divided by first degree expression, the answer must be second degree expression. The answer for this question is A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. For example, if two options are there, for example, A square plus B square plus C square is also an option, for example, if this is first option, if this is second option. How to know? Just by substituting different values we can get the answers easily. Put A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 1 or 0. You can put different values for A, B, C, but options must be different by substitution. If you put A, B, C as a 1, 1, 1, okay, 1, 1, 1 here, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, answer is 0. Here 1, 1, 1. What is the answer? Put 1, 1, 1, this is 3. So answer is 0. We can get the answer like this. So identity is satisfied by any set of values of the variables. You can put A, B, C as a different values and substitute in options. We can get the answers without knowing a formulae also. And these two formulae are most important place. Okay. Next. From this, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then what happens? If A plus B plus C is 0, then what happens? If this is 0, 0 into anything is 0, so this total right hand side is 0. If total right hand side is 0, then we say that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. If A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Very, very important question. And if A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC, then if A cube plus B cube plus C cube, this value is 3ABC, 3ABC minus 3ABC is 0, so left hand side is 0. If left hand side is 0, either first part is 0 or second part is 0. So here we have two cases. Case 1, either A plus B plus C is 0 or the second part is 0. What is second part? A minus B whole square, very important concept is, plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square is equal to 0. This is the sum of squares of three terms is equal to 0. If sum of squares of three terms is equal to 0, square is either 0 or positive only. Sum is 0 means each term is 0. So this is 0, this is 0, even this is also 0. When A minus B whole square is equal to 0, is nothing but A is equal to B. B minus C whole square is equal to 0 means B is equal to C. So we say that here we have, if this condition is given, either A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay, if A plus B plus C is 0 or A is equal to B is equal to C. So this is a most important concept. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to this one or this one. And know these two conditions also. If A plus B plus C is 0. I want to give a simple question. What is 38 cube minus 25 cube minus 36 cube minus 25 cube minus 11 cube is equal to how much? 36 cube minus 25 cube minus 11 cube is equal to how much? Finding cubes and subtraction is difficult. Here see carefully, 36 cube, I want to write the second one as minus 25 cube plus minus 11 cube. Consider this as A, this as B, this as C. If you add A plus B plus C, this is 0. If A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. This is nothing but 36, this is minus 25, this is minus 11. This can be written as 3 into, this is 36 is 4 9s 36, this is 25 into 11, minus into minus plus. 25 4s are 100. This is 27 into 11. Okay, 2 zeros. 27 into 11. 11 sevens. Okay, 9 2. So answer is 29700. Okay, so these are very important identities. I want to write one more formula. Just note that formula. X plus y minus z whole cube plus y plus z minus x whole cube plus z plus x minus y whole cube is equal to x plus y plus z whole cube minus 24xyz. Actually this formula can be created using the formula a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube and a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube. Using this formula we can get this answer. Okay, that is nothing but, see carefully. Actually I don't want to give the proof, just I want to give a key point to get this one. First find x plus y plus z whole cube minus x plus y minus z whole cube. Find the answer for this. Minus of, just transfer these three to the right side. Y plus z minus x whole cube, okay, plus z plus x minus y whole cube. Find this value using the formula a plus b, a minus b, a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube. Similarly, make a point here, z plus y minus x whole cube plus z minus y minus x whole cube. Okay, just by taking minus, this is minus, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, this is a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube formula. If we simplify, we get the answer as 24xyz. We get the answer as 24xyz. So therefore x plus y minus z whole cube plus y plus z minus x whole cube plus z plus x minus y whole cube is equal to, just this is nothing but x plus y plus z whole cube minus 24xyz. So these are the basics identity related concepts, and there are few more concepts based on this. I want to create some more formulae using these identities. Okay, thank you.